Meet Astro.js, the web framework that decided your JavaScript needed a diet. Finally, a framework that doesn't make your users download half the internet just to load a button. Launched in 2021, Astro's whole thing is less JavaScript, more speed. Imagine IKEA furniture for websites. Simple, surprisingly strong, and a bit tricky to put together. It uses something called islands architecture. Translation: instead of dumping a Costco-sized JavaScript bundle on your users, it sprinkles JavaScript only where it's needed. And it works well with React, Vue, and Svelte because apparently commitment issues are now a feature. The result? Static sites that load faster than you can close a cookie pop-up. Lighthouse gives you a perfect score, and suddenly you feel like you actually know what you're doing. Settle down there, buckaroo, it's still a JavaScript framework. Markdown support, file-based routing, server-side rendering, Astro quietly does it all while you sit there wondering why you wasted 2 years shaking your fist at the sky or wrestling with other frameworks. So yeah, Astro.js, ship less JavaScript, get faster sites. Your users will love you even if your JavaScript bundle size doesn't. And let's be real, when was the last time your code loved you back? Code doesn't have emotions, people do. Keep your priorities straight. Like and subscribe, and let's keep pretending we know what we're doing.